Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove all 4 doors in this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. First thing we want to do is put the windows down on the doors that we want to remove. So turn the key on, put those windows down. Put the rear windows down. Next, with the door closed, we're going to use a Torx bit. We're going to use a T50. We're going to take these 2 bolts out on the bottom of the door hinge. Use a ratchet. Be careful not to scratch the paint while you're doing this. Once you get it a little loose, you can sometimes do it with your hand. Let's take that out. We'll take the same on the bottom. Let's slide that out. Do the same for the other side. We're going to open the door. We're going to remove the electrical connector. This is a little bit hard to see. It's way down up in here. I'm going to push on the little tab, pull the connector out. This little tab right there. Pull that off. And then when we want to pull this door catch off, it's just there's just a hook right here. I'm just going to slide this up, just like that. Depending on how you're going to store it, you can fold the mirror in. It makes it a little bit tighter. And then we can just grab the door. We're just going to lift up. Make sure you find a safe place to store it. You can put it on cardboard or some type of foam. All right, to do the rear doors, we're just going to take a T50 Torx bit and a ratchet, and we're going to take these 2 bolts out. Be careful not to scratch the paint while you're doing this. Once it's loose enough, you can do it by hand. Just like that. We'll do the bottom one as well. Take those out. We'll do the same for the other side. And we'll open the door. To access the connector for the electrical and also the doorstop, we're going to have to remove this panel off. We'll just use a trim tool. Get in behind here, pop this cover off. And there's an electrical connector right here. Just push down on the tab, pull it off. And the doorstop is right here. Just slide this braided strap over the hook and pull it out. Once that's off, you can grab the door and just pull it straight. You're going to go straight up with it. There we go. Slide it out, put it aside.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.